What's up, guys? This is the first episode of which fast food chicken is the best in Carbondale. Well, I'll shorten that name for the title of the video. But I am going through different fried chicken places on DoorDash that DoorDash provides, and I will be rating their chicken. I'll be trying a meal. I'll be trying your basic stuff you get at a fried chicken place, like your chicken, biscuit, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. I'll get all of that. The criteria is it must be fried chicken, it must be fast food. I'm not gonna get it from other place. I'm pretty sure this place is fast food. Yeah, I don't want the first episode breaking the rules. So I got crispy, crunchy chicken. I don't think I got any sauces from here. Oh, they have their own napkins and forks, so I didn't have to get one from my dorm. I should have checked that first, but I don't. So you got mashed potato, chicken. One of these are mashed potatoes chicken. Yeah, I think this one's the chicken. So here's the box. Let's take a look. How do you pull it out? This is okay. Ooh, these are good pieces. So the DoorDash driver, I put the wrong address, so I had to walk over to another tower, one of the other places, to get my food, because he had put it there and I went and grabbed it so it wouldn't get stolen. So we'll look at that. Ooh, this is the mashed potatoes. This is then the mac and cheese. This is and this is the potato wedges. I thought this was it said a biscuit. It said it came with a biscuit, Probably gonna dock them points for that, but let's first try chicken. Not very seasoned, but it does have a decent crunch to it. Good fried chicken. Just wish it was a little more seasoned. Yeah, well, I think it does have some seasoning, but it's good, it's juicy, it's meat. Destroying this bone, this chicken. Got this. Nice soft, potatoey, pillowy potato. Mashed potato and gravy, good. Mashed potato gravy, yeah. Okay, it is a little cold-ish because I had to walk back and forth. The potato, it's not that seasoned, it's good until they put salt and pepper and stuff like that in it, because you got some pepper specks in there. It's good. Yeah. Mac and cheese. Good mac and cheese. It's good. See, it's the macaroni and stuff. It's what you would want in mac and cheese. these are good noodles, good cheese. It's nice and cheesy. It beats crab, which honestly ain't that hard, but all this is, I'm gonna go after this next. This is good. Her chicken is really great. So, I'll give this one more try. You know, all this is really good. I haven't had fried chicken in a while, but this is good. Will I come and eat this again? Will I order this again? Yes, definitely. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I've been putting it off. This is a solid chicken, solid everything here. Just a little bit more. You could put maybe a little more seasoning. The cheese, mac and cheese is good, but I wouldn't say it's anything really special, but it's good. Same with the same with the mashed potatoes. Not anything special, but it's good. Now, I would give this all if you watch this all the way, you know, I might try to make these shorter, but out of all this, I give it a 9.1 out of 10. It's really good. See ya.